This is just a regular cookie sheet, nothing fancy, and a piece of parchment paper. I am going to place the dough onto the cookie sheet. Just kind of spread it out nice and even like that. Can you see it good? And we're going to let this rest for about a good hour, okay? We're not doing anything to it yet. No one's cutting anything. You don't have to score it. I know there's a big thing about scoring the dough to create an oven spring. That is not necessary, okay? Just leave it on the cookie sheet and let it rest in a warm spot for 1 hour, and we'll be back. All right, everyone, I'm back. So now that I have let my dough sit for about 1 hour on this parchment paper with a cookie sheet, all I'm going to do now is place it in the oven. Now, everyone's oven runs differently, right? Mine tends to run slightly cooler. So I'm going to put this into the oven for about 55 minutes. If your oven runs a little warmer, start checking it at the 45 to 50 minute mark. And we're going to let him rise gently in the oven, and I will see you in about an hour and show you the finished product. Stay tuned. All right, we are back. It's been about 50 minutes and my bread is done. So I forgot in the last video, just knocking things over. There we go. I forgot in my last video to tell you it was 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I said to bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. If your oven runs slightly cooler, about 50 to 55 if your oven runs slightly warmer. But I didn't remember to tell you it was at 400 degrees. So at 400 degrees, I like my loaf. It is piping hot. I like my loaf like a medium light brown. I want so badly to tear into this, but we're not going to. We're going to be very patient before we cut it. There's a reason why you should not cut bread right fresh out of the oven. The crust is still forming. The crumb is still forming. Take a look at this. I hope you can try to make this a little better for you. Take a look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous bread. It has a nice deep dark brown crust. We know it's baked because when you tap it, it's hollow on the inside. Okay. Oh, that's hot. Take a look at this. Just absolutely beautiful bread. This came out so stunning and so pretty. And we didn't need any fancy equipment, right? So many people want to try to sell you that you need a Dutch oven, you need this, you need pans, you don't, all right? I am living proof that all you need to bake beautiful, fresh, delicious fermented bread is patience and time. And we are going to let this bad boy cool off, and then we're going to slice it. Right now, the crumb is still very, very hard because it's hot. It has to cool down. Then we're going to cut it and we're going to see what it looks like on the inside. I cannot wait. You know it's going to be delicious. It smells delicious. There's nothing more satisfying than freshly baked homemade bread. And this is what my customers pay me for. They literally give me $8 to give oops, they give me $8 to give them bread that looks like this. I wish you could smell my kitchen. Oh my God. All right. We will return. I'm going to let this cool off a little bit, let the crumb finish forming, and we'll be back. Stay tuned. Final video coming up.
These pancakes are really good. I might have to order some more from you. Like, they have the perfect amount of crisp, the perfect amount of fluff. These are fire. Thanks.
There you have it. Chrissy endorsed only at Black Woman Farmer on Etsy.com.